Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about TikTok application, and I would like to show you the way how you can remove stickers from the TikTok account that you have. First thing you have to do is open your TikTok application and logged in with your TikTok account. Whenever you're already perfect or successfully logged in, now you just need to visit your profile. And right after that, into below sections of the bio, there will be like this line. So there will be sections that you have for your bio or video collections. So if you want to visit your stickers collection, just go click the second section right here, just go click it, and they'll like bring you into the collections of the stickers that you have. If you want to delete one of them, you just need to click which stickers that you want to delete, and there will be like a pop-up down here, a delete option, and then you just need to go click delete. Don't forget to confirm it to delete it, and the sticker will be disappear. So that's for today's tutorial, the way how you can like delete the stickers on your TikTok account. So hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.